Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. If your iPhone is overheating, getting hot during charging, gaming, or normal use, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to fix the iPhone overheating issue. Fix 1. Remove the phone case first. Remove your phone cover or case. Some cases trap heat and cause the iPhone to overheat, especially during charging or gaming. Fix 2. Close background apps. Open the app switcher. Close all apps running in the background. Too many apps can overwork the processor and increase heat. Fix 3. Avoid using phone while charging. Do not use your iPhone while it's charging. Using apps, gaming, or watching videos during charging causes extra heat. Fix 4. Turn off location and background refresh. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Set unnecessary apps to while using or never. Then go to Settings, General Background App Refresh. Turn it off or set it to Wi-Fi only. Fix 5. Lower screen brightness. Open Settings, Display and Brightness. Reduce brightness and turn on auto brightness. High brightness generates more heat. Fix 6. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General Software Update. Install the latest iOS version, as updates often fix overheating and performance issues. Fix 7. Restart your iPhone. Restart your iPhone to stop unnecessary background processes and cool down the system. Important tip: do not expose your iPhone to direct sunlight or very hot environments. Extreme heat can damage the battery and internal components. That's it. These steps will help fix iPhone overheating problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Guide Pro for more easy iPhone solutions. Thanks for watching.